guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Azorokwam Nelson. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the source code that will allow you to capture fingerprint images from digital Persona devices. And I have Visual Studio already opened here. So I'll go ahead and run the software so that you will see how it works. So the software is started now. This software supports the Digital Persona 4500. It also supports the Digital Persona 5100 and 5300 and so many other Digital Persona devices. So, but for this video, I am going to be testing out using the 5100. This is the 5100, and then I will also be testing out using the 4500. So let's get started. So I have the software already running here. You already know what this things does. This is the exit button, and about the software, this is where you get information about the software. And then I have the settings here. When you click on the settings, you're able to set the image formats that you want extracted from the device. You're also able to set which information that you want stored. Okay, so if you want the FMR, the DAT file, the image. So if you uncheck the image, obviously you won't be able to pick a format. So, but if you have this checked, you're able to pick the format you want this to be exported in. So for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to export image only. I'll leave this to uncheck. Then for format, I will leave the format as at BMP, but I'm still going to come back to do maybe JPG. So for now, let me leave it as PNG, and then I click on save. So the next thing will be to start scanning. So when I click on the start scanning, you will notice that it prompts me to select a folder. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create a folder inside this demos folder. So I will create it, and I'm going to call this my fingers. And that's also, I'll pick the new folder that I just created, and then I click OK. So once I click OK, it brings me to the fingerprint capturing screen. And this is how it works. I have all the fingers represented here. You can see I have the left thumb, I have the left thumb, I have the left index, the left middle, the left ring, and then the left pinky. So the same way I also have on the right hand. Okay, so now to start scanning, I have my fingerprint, my scanner, the 4500 already connected. So I'm going to be testing this one first. So to start scanning, I click on the finger that I want to scan. You can see it's selected now, and then I do what? I put in my left thumb. This is my left thumb, so I put in my left thumb. Sorry, my scanner is quite dirty, so it's taking time to scan. All right, so to do for my left index, I select also. So as you're scanning, you can see the progress bar is increasing. You can see this bar here is increasing. So I'm going to continue like that to scan all my fingers. And once I'm done, you can see the finish button. So once I'm done, all I need to do is to click on the finish button, and then the fingerprint will be saved on the folder that I selected earlier. So I'll do for my right hand. So that's it. So you can see I can now save. I'm done. So I will click on save. So are you sure you want to say yes? Of course, I'm sure. All fingers saved. So I click OK. All right, so the fingerprint image has already been stored on the folder that I selected. So if I go to my File Explorer, I go to desktop, this is what I selected, demos, my fingers. So here on you can see I have my images. You can see that here. I have the 10 images here, all saved. And if we go to check the format, you will see it was stored as BMP. And we have a little log file here that is also saved that tells you the activities that happened. So you can see left thumb was saved as PMB. So that is it. I will also, let me go back to the app. I will also do for, I will also use this device, the 5100, to also test out the software. But for the, I need to unplug and plug in the 5100. All right, so I have this plugged in now. But for this, I'm going to be saving as PNG. So I save. All right. So now let me start scanning again. For this particular one, I am going to create a folder here, and I'm going to call it the JPG. Then I'll pick the folder that I just created and click OK. And that's it. So now let me start scanning again. My finger is not plugged well. My scanner is not plugged well. Let me adjust this. All right, so my device is up now. You can see it's working now. So let me start the scanning again. So I pick the JPG folder here. So now I can scan. So it's scanning now. You will notice that this particular device seems to be clearer. You can see compared to the 4500, the 5100 is obviously has a clearer image. So, but maybe when I'm done, we will compare that. So I'm doing for my right hand now. All right. Now I'm done. Remember, this is what we used for this one. So now I'm done. I'll click on finish and then I say yes. So that's it. My fingerprints image has already been saved. So let's go back to the folder. So we'll go back to JPG And here you can see that the image was saved here. You can see that's 10 of the images. And then you will see that the format we have here is JPG. Okay, so the same way you can do any format here. So when you go to settings, you can change to produce any format that you want. Yeah, and then let me compare the images. I told you this is the one we captured with the, so I'll use the right thumb to compare. So this is the one we captured with the 5100. So I'll go back to the one we captured with 4500. So you can see the here by the left we have the 5100, and by the right here we have the 4500. Okay, so you can see obviously the 5100 is clearer than the 4500 here. Okay, so that's the two devices that I tested. The software can work with other digital personal devices. Not all, but at least the 4 series and the 5 series, the software can work on them. I just tested with these ones. Okay, so that is it on this video. If you want the software or you want the source code, I'll leave my contact information on the video's description, so you can reach out to me and you will have it. So for now, have a very nice day. Thank you for watching, and bye.